Guys, I used to spend months building my digital products, throwing them online and hoping and praying that somebody would care enough to spend money with me. Now, some of them were pretty amazing home runs and some of them flopped. But here's the truth. The reason why some of our digital offers and ideas and products that we create flop isn't because we don't work hard as creators. It's because we're not following a proven framework. And we're guessing and we're throwing a bunch of mud at the wall and we are hoping that it sticks. Well, my friend, this is about to change because I built and pre-programmed my AI coach. My AI coach does all the heavy lifting. It does our market research for us and literally delivers a ready-to-sell digital product outline in minutes. I cannot believe I'm sharing this with the general public because this is one of my secret weapons. And in case you're wondering, no, this is not your boring ChatGPT, literally nothing like it. And it's the same framework and now an easy to use tool that has generated me and my business over $12 million in digital product sales. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, why no one else is teaching this, and best part, how you can get your hands on this absolutely free. So stick with me because after this video, you'll never look at digital product creation the same. It's not a daunting task now. It's very exciting. And at the speed of which now you can create profitable digital products using my AI coach, the sky is literally the limits with your income potential. And friends, check this out. The global e-learning market, which is digital products, courses, etc., is projected to reach $645 billion with a B billion dollars by 2030. Digital products have one of the highest profit margins, 70 to 90% compared to physical products or services. Now, here's the sad part. Only 8% of creators online or people posting on social media earn more than $100,000 from their content per year, mostly because they lack their own offers that they can sell that people actually want to buy from them. Now, I'm a true case study that if you do this right, you can create some incredible revenue streams for you and your brand. I live a pretty incredible life today because of being able to create and sell my own digital products online. I used to work in an office 12 hours a day, 6 days a week as a finance specialist, hardly had time to go on vacation. They would get mad if I wanted to go on vacation. And now I get to live a life that most people dream of because of knowing how to create my own digital products and creating them with this framework in mind that people actually want to buy them from me. So I promise you, learning how to create your own digital products that people want is one of the best ways to create a predictable, scalable income for you and your family. Until now, it's been so daunting to take that task on. There's so many people that want to do it, they have no idea where to start, and they don't even know if they do start, if it's going to be profitable. But with my AI coach that I'm about to show you, and you're about to get your hands on for free, I think you're going to get very excited about creating your digital product. You're going to see how simple, how easy, how effective it can be to create something that your audience, or even an audience that you don't even know exists right now, want to buy from you. Now, if you've ever ventured down the road of creating your own digital products, you'll relate to some of this. But in my old days before having AI and specifically my AI coach, I would spend weeks, if not months, brainstorming a digital product idea. Then I would spend more weeks and maybe more months creating the modules, the PDFs, or any supporting material that was going to go with that digital product. Then I would launch it, and that would be where it would be just like, okay, let's throw a bunch of mud at the wall, let's see if it sticks, let's see if my idea lands with the audience that I'm intending it for. And sometimes it was a hit and sometimes it was a miss. Now, with my AI coach that I created, most of these ideas, I would say like 95% of these ideas are now a hit. And the content that my AI coach is actually helping me framework when creating my digital products is landing in such a positive way with my buyers where they feel like they've gotten 10 times worth the money that they've spent with me. And this is key. And this is particularly important to do so that your brand is elevated because you're producing stuff that is so juicy and so valuable and so helpful for your audience, but also to avoid refunds from happening. Now, I'm going to show you my AI coach in action in a minute and show you where you can get your hands on it. But basically, it will do all of the market research for you. It will validate your product idea because I've built this into the prompts to know what to do that for you. It'll deliver for you your final digital product outline and framework in minutes, essentially building your digital product for you and all of the content that it includes. And the end result is just plain and simple, a digital product that people actually want to buy from you, therefore making you more money. Now, I'll be sure to link to my digital product AI coach in the description so you can get your hands on it. Now, I do want to give you a fair warning. I'm not always going to have my AI coach available free to use, but if you see that it is free to use when you go to the description link, get it right away, start using it while it is free. And if for some reason you missed the free version, then there might be a small charge for it. Trust me, it'll be worth it, but get your hands on it while it is free. That would be my highest suggestion. So I'm going to show you how this is like having me sitting with you at your desk, coaching you on how to come up with the most captivating digital product idea, framework, outline, and have my AI coach essentially do it all for you. Almost like I created your digital product for you that you're going to go out and sell in the marketplace. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Let's do this. Okay, I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the link in the description, grab the tool. Then you're going to come over to the digital product outline. So this is going to create your digital product for you essentially and give you the exact outline so you're not racking your brain for hours and hours and hours or weeks and weeks and weeks. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the digital product outline. Now you're going to need some information from the other videos that I talk about in the YouTube series that we have here. And I'll leave a link in the description if you haven't watched the other videos. The other videos are going to actually help you with the idea. So if you already know your digital product idea, great. If not, you can use the tool as well, your digital product idea helper. Watch the episode where I talk about that because it actually shows you some tips and tricks to validate the idea and then make your digital product irresistible. So I'm going to assume that you've already made your digital product irresistible. And then what you're going to do is come over to the digital product outline. It's going to ask you these 3 questions. And I've already pre-programmed the tool based on the formulas that work really, really well in the back end. This is like my pre-prompt engineered AI tool, where in the background, it's going to take the answers to these questions that you're going to put in, and it's going to give you the output as if you were like a famous copywriter with 15 years experience like I have of creating an 8-figure online brand and empire. So you can just fast track all of that. All right. So it's going to ask you what my irresistible digital product offer is. Now I saved this from the other AI tool that I used. And so I'm going to put this in as example. This Instagram growth and monetization mini course helps content creators, influencers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs achieve viral success and sustainable income on Instagram without the frustration of slow growth and ineffective monetization strategies by using our simple step-by-step strategies, insider techniques, and done for you templates to achieve transformative results in just weeks. If you're wondering where I got that fancy copy, it was the other AI tool where we made the product idea, validated it, and then created the irresistible offer statement. So watch that. I'll leave a link in the description area, or use that other tool that you get access to here. The style of my digital product is, so what are we creating? In this case, I'm going to say I want to create a mini course to deliver this idea. Okay, so this is the format of the digital product. It gives you some examples here. I'm going to say I want it to be a mini course. Okay, and then it's going to ask you the price of your digital product. If you don't know the price of your digital product, go to the homepage and answer the questions that it asks to help you price your digital product. So I also have a digital pricing coach in there for you as well that you can use if you're not sure what you would like to sell your digital product for. If you already know the price of your digital product, awesome, just put it in here. So the reason why this is important, by the way, is that this coach is going to give the value that justifies the price 10 times. So basically it's going to say, hey, if somebody were to give you $37, I want to give you a digital product outline that's worth in value to the client and to the end user 10 times that. They're $370 at least. So it's going to beef up the outline a little bit more because the price is a little bit more. So that only makes sense. If you're charging more, you want to basically give more in value. If you're charging less, well, then you're not going to give the same amount of value in a $37 product versus a $2,000 product, right? Makes sense. So the price of this digital product is, I might say that I want to sell it for $97. Okay, you can put in there, use the digital AI coach for that, put your price in there, and that'll help with the outlining of my digital product. So then you're going to scroll down and click outline my digital product, and then some magic will happen. So what it's going to do is it's going to give us the outline of exactly what it is that we want to create. And it's also going to give us ideas to fill in the blanks. But this is going to be either, basically this is giving us a mini course outline because we told it that we wanted a mini course. So basically we're going to take this outline now without having to think about the outline, and we are going to go and create our mini course. Now, again, if you are creating a digital download, the outline is going to be there for you to copy, paste. You can add to it. You can take away from it. It's fully editable. And then you can go maybe put it into a Google Doc if you want that you give away or you sell, or you can go put it into a fancy Canva template that you give away and you sell. We'll talk all more about this in our video series. I hope that you guys are watching the whole video series on creating a digital product business, but this is just part of it, specifically related to the outlining and creation using AI. So I hope you can see the ease now and confidence that you can have in knowing that your digital product outline is going to be powerful enough to justify money, and then what to give your audience that it is that they're specifically looking for, that they will want to spend money on. All right, my friend. So make sure that you try to get your hands on the AI coach while we have it for free, because some of the results that people are actually sharing with me and the feedback that people are sharing with me is so heartwarming. And all I ask is that if you use the tool, you love it, can you share a comment with me and let me know what you love most about it? So Anne Marie shares, I've used several AI programs, and by far, this is the most incredible experience I've had. It's programmed to give me exactly what I'm looking for without super fancy prompts. Definitely a game changer for my business. It's the easy button that delivers the perfect content every time. It's saved me hours of work. And just like Tasha shares, the AI coach is helping me so much. My digital product is going to be much more robust than it would have been due to time saved. I can't wait to finish and share my meal plans, recipes, etc. to help women eat healthier. It's so exciting. Without the AI coach, I'd still be working on my basic outline. In just a few hours, I'm already working on the content for module number 3. And personally, I can contest that I wish that I would have had this back in 2014 when I started my digital product journey, and this would have saved me months and months of time and energy. Also, if you want to truly build a profitable digital product or course business, I have an amazing program I think you're going to love. It's called the Digital Product Lab, and it'll walk you through the simple steps of helping you transform your passion, knowledge, and regular content into a profitable digital product or course, coaching program, or even a membership, even if you have limited tech skills, a small audience, or no prior experience. Now, I have a special limited time coupon code for my peeps, and you can check the description below for the links and the details that are currently available. Seriously, this option of being a creator and creating digital products that you can sell online has changed my life in the biggest way. And I'm so passionate teaching my frameworks, methods, tools with you now so that you can copy and model what I did and get the same results, if not better, in your world. This video is part of my digital product business series where I walk you step by step on all the little things that are involved on building a digital product business. Everything from finding your winning digital product idea to setting it up, to creating it, and also setting up your system so that you can sell the thing on autopilot and get a bunch of people to want to buy it with desire and interest. I highly recommend watching the next video in this series that I've put together for you. I'll link up to it in the description area, and I'm so excited to run alongside with you in building your digital product empire.